Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Zishan and you are watching my iPhone Sport YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix FaceTime and Safari icon missing on iPhone, iPad or iPod Touch. So let's start the video. First of all, let me show you that FaceTime and Safari both apps are not showing on home screen and setting page. So guys, here you can see both apps are not available on my iPhone. So go to setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, tap on screen time. On the screen time page, tap on content and privacy restriction. Next, tap on allowed apps. Now toggle on FaceTime and Safari apps. So guys, after do that, you can see FaceTime and Safari apps are showing on setting menu and home screen. So guys, I hope you all know how to add apps on home screen. If you like this video, then like this video and please subscribe to our channel for more videos.